Hey folks, it's your old pal HG again, and we're kicking in the new year in classic style at one of our favorite West Coast haunts, the world-famous Quaker Steak and Lube in Beautiful Clearwater, Florida. The 2013 Bike Build-Off Invitational, baby. I'm telling you folks, this here gig just keeps getting better and better with time. Kinda like someone else I know. Check it out!
Check it out, folks! We found HOGSWIPER Bob on the Gulf Coast! Tell me your story, brother! Go ahead, hit it!
Boston, good stuff!
Yeah! Check it out, there's the run right there, baby!
I like the half-naked lady on your resume.
Not included, sorry, pal.
We got a HOGSWIPE testimonial here with HOGSWIPER Tommy went for the gallon, baby!
Very impressed. Took the bugs off the windshield in about 10 seconds. And everything else, you hit it for about 10 seconds of buffing and you're done, buddy.
Love you, man. Right on, brother. Keep HOGSWIPing. You know where to find me.
Alright, man.
Be good, Tommy. The legendary letter flight, folks. Who do you love, brother? Go get him. Look at that work. It don't get no better than this, folks. Oh, we're a dying breed, aren't we?
What?
Do it again.
I gotta kiss him again?
No, kiss him. What part? That one?
Did you get it? Hey! The following video has been brought to you by FuckThatFrizz.com, folks. That's FuckThatFrizz.com.